Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I came up with another video which is related to stacking, and this time it's stack-wise virtual. So I have two numbers of brand new Cisco Catalyst 9500 switches, and we are going to establish a stack in between, which is like stack-wise virtual, and stack-wise virtual is the new form of, you can say, new form of VSS which was used in old catalyst switches. So it's, if you see on the screen on the right side, so the configuration are pretty simple, and it is not complex as configuring VSS or VPC. So let's start. So first I have access to my secondary switch and I will change the RE number of the switch. RE number is the number of the interface. So like if I do show interface description, so you can see here 101. So the first one, this one is the RE number. Okay, so it shows the switch 1, module 0 and port number 1. So now for the switch 2, I will going to change that number to 2. So switch RE number 2, and it require a reboot. Yes. And now we'll change the priority. Switch priority 5, enter. So the priority is the lowest priority is the secondary, and the highest priority will be the primary one. So now I'll save the configuration, write memory, and I'll do a reload. Reload. Okay. Now I'll connect to switch number 1. In the meantime, we'll do the configuration on switch 1. So if I do show interface description on switch 1, so I can see here 101. So this is going to be my first switch, the primary one. So no need to change the RE number. So I will only change the priority. Switch priority 15, 15, and save. Okay. So now I'll do the other configuration. In the meantime, the secondary switch will come, then we'll shift to that other switch. So now I'll go to configure T, stack wise virtual, domain 1. It's just a number. This number should be same on both the pairs. So exit. So now if I do exit and see the number interface is again show interface description, and if you go at the bottom, so I have multiple interfaces, right? So if you see last four interfaces, HU 10, 25, 26, 27, 28. So these are the 100 gig and 40 gig interfaces. So it is always recommended to use the stack-wise virtual link using the highest bandwidth interface. So in my case, I am going to use 27 and 28. So I will first edit the template and 27 and 28. Okay. And for this one, yeah, now I'll go to configure T, go to the interface, HU, and I will enable or configure these ports as stack-wise virtual link and no shut. Okay, now I'll go back, exit, and I'm going to configure this dual active detection. It's sort of, you can say, keep alive link. So here I am going to use this TW011024 interface. I TW01-24, and I will use it as dual active detection. Stack-wise virtual dual active detection. Enter, exit, exit, and right. Now I will move to switch 2 again. Let's see what is there now. So first we'll see show interface description. Here you can see the interface numbering is changed. Okay, good. So now I will start the configuration of stack-wise virtual. I'll go to configure T. Let me first edit the template because my template is older one. So I will put these HU 2027 and 28 here. And I will use TWE24 for the dual active detection. Let's go to configuration T, stack-wise virtual, same domain number, domain 1, because my primary switch is also part of this one. Now I'll define the virtual link interface. 2027 and 28, stack-wise virtual, link 1, and now go to interface 24. So by the way, TW means this interface is capable of supporting 10G and 25G. So that's why it is named as the highest capacity 21. My configurations are done. Exit, 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 and save. Now I'll move to switch 1. I will do reload, enter, and now move to switch 2. Reload. In the meantime, we are going to connect the cables and let's see when it comes back. So we have connected the cables. 27 is connected to 27 and 28 is connected to 28, switch 2 for virtual link, stackwise virtual link, and this 25 Ethernet port 24 to connected to 34 on switch 2. So my console is connected to primary switch, and so you can see on the screen it is trying to discover the other one. So now if we see the logs, all chases in the stack have discovered accelerating discovery. So discovery, so both chases have discovered each other, and I'm physically sitting in front of the switch. I can see the green lights on all the switch ports. And now let's wait for final confirmation. Okay, this you can see from this OS boot up logs. So we have seen two switches, switch 1 and switch 2. Let it boot properly, then we will verify. If I scroll down in my template, so there are some commands you can see on the screen. So we can verify the stack status using these commands. So enter enable mode, show switch. So you can see the both boxes, both switches have discovered each other. The first one which I am connected to is with the static and it is in ready state, and other one is in sync mode. So it will take some time. So if I do again show switch, yeah, give it some time. We can verify other things. So I will give the command show stackwise virtual dual active detection. If you see here, these two ports we have used for dual active detection and both are up. That's a good sign. So now we'll check virtual link show stackwise virtual link. That's good. So we have used 100 gig 1027 28 on switch 1 and 2027 28 on switch 2 and status is up. This is taking some time. Give it some minute. Let me check again. Okay, let's wait a couple of minutes. Okay, so from the log we can see bulk is succeeded, and when I did show switch, so now both are ready. So thanks for watching. Thank you.